Hi Lucy, how can I help you today?
Hi Paul, I'd like to create a time series forecasting model. Is there anything I need to do before I start?
Well, the project creator sets things up for you. First of all, by creating the project in Predictive Factory, adding you to the project members list, and setting up the data sources that you'll access through an automated server. Once this is done, you'll be able to create your time series forecasting model.
Can you show me the different steps I have to follow to create my model?
Sure, let's have a look directly in Predictive Factory. Once you're logged into Predictive Factory, you can see the projects that you're a member of. So just open up the project that you want to work in. Add a time series forecasting model. Give a name and a description to your model. And select the dataset. Select the signal variable. Now this is the variable that you want the model to predict values for. And then select the variable for the time dimension. If there's a variable that represents particular segments that you're interested in, well, you can select it as well. It'll allow you to generate as many forecast models as there are segments. Exclude variables if you want. The selected variables won't be taken into account to compute the model. The variables that you keep will be used by the algorithm to detect cycles and trends of the signal that you study. Enter the last training date to consider in the data. You'll have to indicate the number of forecasts that you want to produce. The algorithm will optimize the choice of the model taking into account this number. Finally, select the training period. You can decide to consider all lines of data from the first date to the last training date that you've chosen, or you can customize the period that you want to take into account. Save and train your model. And that's it. You can now decide to use this model version if you're satisfied with the model result, and you can associate tasks to your model.
Well, thanks Paul, that was so easy. Now how can I get more information about it?
You can take a look at our help portal for in-depth information, or click on the links on the screen.